Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you this Rakhi makeup look which I want all of you to recreate because it's easy breezy. I've used all the affordable products to create this look so that all of you can try it out and send me your pictures because I really want to see how do you get ready for Rakhi. Also, if you're wondering where I got this beautiful kurta set from, so it's from my own clothing label which is Ashia the Label. You can check out the pictures on my clothing page. I'll mention it down on the screen, so do check it out and order yours if you like it. And yeah, without much ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. So the first thing you need to apply is a moisturizer. I have already applied my moisturizer and you can use any moisturizer that you like. Next I'm going to move on to this foundation from Nykaa. It's called the Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation in the shade 01 Pure Ivory. Now I bought this so that I can give you guys more options, keeping away the Maybelline Fit Me. So this is one option that you can use. So I'm gonna try it out and share my views about this product. I'm gonna dot it all over my face. So there's a sale going on Nykaa. Do check that out because you can get amazing offers right now. If you're planning to buy makeup, skincare, do check that out. So I used my fingers to blend the foundation and it blended really easily. It does not have a proper matte finish, as it says it's a hydrating foundation, so you can see some dewiness as well. Also guys, the texture is not very liquidy. It gives a good coverage in just a pump, or you can build up the coverage. It has a medium to buildable coverage. So yeah, I feel this is really good for dry skin people like me. So if you have dry skin, you can check this product out. It's really affordable. And the only the two drawbacks of this foundation that I could see, it has some weird smell which I'm not liking, and also I don't think this is available in a lot of shades. I think they have just 6-7 shades available. So as of now I feel these are the only drawbacks for this product. Otherwise the coverage is really nice, the texture is really hydrating, not very liquidy, the packaging is really good, compact. That's all about this foundation. And next I'm gonna do some concealing. For concealer I'm using this one from Forever 52. It's the complete coverage concealer. It's in the shade COV003. So this is somewhere in between these two shades, the brightening concealer that I use to brighten up my under eyes and the dark colored concealer that I use to conceal my dark circles. अगर आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है कि आपको कितने shades light brightening concealer use करना है या कितने shades dark conceal करने के लिए use करना है, तो if you don't want to get into the details, so आप कोई भी ऐसा shade ले लो जो कि इस तरह से ज़्यादा ब्राइट भी ना हो आपके डार्क सर्कल्स के लिए और बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क भी ना हो. सो वट इट विल डू इज़ इट विल कंसील द डार्क सर्कल्स, बट ये आपकी कोई ज़्यादा ब्राइट नहीं कर पाएगा अंडर आई एरिया को. बट नॉर्मल नेचुरल मेकअप लुक के लिए और एवरीडे मेकअप लुक के लिए और सटल मेकअप लुक के लिए ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. आपको कोई 2 कंसीलर्स यूज़ करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप एक नॉर्मल ठीक सा शेड ले लो and use it to conceal the dark circles or any blemishes that you have. It works the best. So you can see it has a warm undertone which helps in concealing the dark circles. Also it's easily visible that it doesn't have a white undertone. So yeah, that's how you need to choose your concealer if you want to use just one concealer. So I'm using it wherever I have blemishes, discoloration. Like normally इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा सा हम यूज़ कर लेंगे. And guys, I have some allergy going on my forehead. That's why I was keeping away from makeup tutorials for a while. This is what I get in summers every year. There's nothing to worry about. It's normal. It's gonna go in some time. Let's just blend this out. And again, I think I'm gonna be using my fingers to blend this out because a lot of you might not be having beauty blenders or a proper set of brushes. So yeah, let's just blend it out using the fingers. I'm also going to be taking it on my lid. So you can see how it has concealed my dark circles. Again, this is a really affordable product. You can check this out on the Forever 52 website, and it's also available on Nykaa. Next, I'm gonna set all of this in place using a loose powder or a compact. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 Light. If you guys are looking for a good affordable compact, you can check out the one from Colorbar. It's really affordable and it's really good as well. And you can check out from Maybelline, Lakme. You get variety of options to choose from. Next, I'm going to use this bronzer from Sugar. It's in the shade Woody Wonder. Next, I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild. Now, the shade name is Gone. I've used this enough. Check the shade and we'll mention it down in the description box. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. First I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then we'll do the eye makeup. For brows, I'm using this amazing product from Etude House. It's the Drawing Eyebrow. It's in the shade dark brown, and this is quite affordable, priced at rupees 250, and it's quite easy to apply. You just need to draw a line underneath and just fill in the sparse areas. So I'm creating another line. That's all, and you get this spoolie on the other side. So I'm gonna brush them up so that the product is well blended. And yeah, my brows are done. For eyes, I'll be using the Nudes palette from Maybelline. And now a lot of you might be having this palette or some other palette from Maybelline, I guess, because this is a beginner friendly palette. It's quite affordable, so I thought of using this one for today's look so that you guys can find it easy to recreate. So I'm gonna start with this shade, which is a cool tone brown. You can use any brown, and using a blending brush like this one is from PAC Cosmetics. The number is 104. So I'm lightly just blending it out all over, not taking it on the lid, just here on the crease. Repeat the same here. Next, I'm gonna take any shimmery shade. I think I'm gonna be using this one, so I'm gonna pack it on my lid. Also guys, you can see there's a cut crease kind of a look created on the eyes. So those of you who are not good at cutting the crease, you can also use this technique to do a cut crease look. Now I'm gonna do a smudged liner using my Kajal pencil from Faces Canada, which comes with a smudger as well. And now using a smudging brush, I'm gonna smudge it out. अगर आपके पास ये स्मजर नहीं है, आप इसको फिंगर से भी स्मज कर सकते हैं. You can always clean it with a concealer. You can see the difference between both the eyes. I'm gonna finish this one and we'll get back to you. Next, I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Love mascara. So if you have a color, you can curl your lashes, or you can use your mascara as you. If you wish, you can also add your falsies. I think I'm gonna add my falsies. For lips, I'm using this Perfect Lip Liner from Forever 52. It's in the shade F1612. And I'm topping this off using this soft matte lip cream from NYX in the shade Can or Can'ts. Also, this is one of my favorite shades. So I have added these beautiful hoop earrings, and yeah, this is the completed look. That's how we do a Rakhi makeup tutorial. It's easy breezy. I've used all the affordable products to create this look so that all of you can try it and send me the pictures of your recreation. I really want to see how do you get ready on Rakhi, and yeah, that's about the video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.